Hello everyone, welcome to Math Physics Engage. In this video, we will be looking into real-world application of linear equations utilizing a single variable. Before we start, I will highly appreciate if you subscribe to my channel to watch similar content. So let's get started. So here we are given a problem that on an opening day, a small business that sold sweaters and jacket made a profit of $930. And they are also provided that the sales price for each sweater was 3 times its cost of $20, and for jacket it was the 2 times its cost, that was $30. And on that opening day they sold 15 sweaters. What we need to figure out is how many jackets they sold on that particular day. Now, having said that, let's identify and highlight some of the key items that are mentioned here. So what we are looking for is the profit, that the total profit is given to us is $930, and they have also given us that price or the cost for sweater is $20 and the cost for jacket is $30, whereas the profit or the sales price is 3 times for the sweater and 2 times for the jacket. In addition, they have provided that on that particular day they sold 15 sweaters, and we are looking for how many jackets have been sold on that day. Now let's convert this into equations. So first of all, let's figure out the profit for each one of the item. So I have profit of the sweater, that will be equals to the sales price minus the cost. So we know that cost is equals to $20, and they sold that for 3 times this price, so that is 60, and the profit on each one of the sweater is $40. Similarly, if I solve for the profit of jacket, that is again our sales price minus the cost, and we have the cost of $30, and they are selling it twice of the cost, so it is 60 minus 30, and the profit is $30. Now, once we have identified the profit for each individual item, let's write the equation to incorporate both of these. So the total profit we have is $40 per sweater. So let me use a variable S. And I have $30 for the jacket. Now, in the problem, they have provided us that the total profit on that particular day is 930, and the number of sweaters they have sold is 15. So we are looking for the value of variable J that will tell us how many jackets they have sold. So 930 equals to 40 times 15, that will be 600 plus 30J, and if we move this around, equals to 30J, and this will become 330. And let's simplify this, 11. So the number of jackets they have sold on the opening day is 11. Okay, that's all for this problem. I hope you like the